deliciously deep stretches to lengthen and de-stress. So welcome back. Today we're going to go deep and relax. Get on your mat and open your legs as wide as you can today. With the toes pointing up to the ceiling, and make sure you sit on the front part of your pelvis, so press into the floor with your hands, lift the buttocks and poke your bum out to the back so you're more in the front. You can stay here if you want to, otherwise place the hands in the center, and as you exhale, come down, leading with the chest so the head stays up. And when you can't anymore, then bring the head down and we hold it here. Feel free to close your eyes and just focus on your breath and the stretch. And inhale, slowly start walking your hands back and very slowly come back up. Very good. Remember, the longer you hold pose, the slower come out. Okay. Keep your legs as they are. We're going to bring the right heel to the groin, so bend the right knee and bring the right heel into the groin. We're going to do spiral head to knee, so if you need a strap, you can use a belt from your cupboard, otherwise a scarf or something, and just wrap it around the left foot and take the left hand and get hold of the strap. And then we twist the shoulders, chest over the bent knee, so the chest over the right knee, and keep facing that way. And as we exhale, we bring the left shoulder to the left knee, so we bend over, and the right arm can come over the head, the neck is relaxed, and the right arm stretch for the toes. If you can't go that far, feel free to rest the right arm on the back to keep the chest open. Okay, and we go down and we're going to hold it and exhale. Pull with the strap, pull yourself closer. If you can get hold of the toes with the right hand, you can pull yourself closer with the right hand, and we hold it. Try and keep the chest open. Don't collapse down. Focus on your breath. Feel the stretch out of the right hip and the right ribs. And inhale, slowly come back up. Very good. If you haven't noticed, this is a follow along. Sorry, I forgot to say it in the beginning of the video. So you can follow along and open the right leg. And we bring in the left. And we're going to go to the other side. So do the same on this side. Pivot the chest over the bent knee, strap around the right foot, right hand, and as we exhale, we bend to the right, If your elbow comes this low, you can bring it on the inside, not on the outside of the leg, on the inside. Otherwise, just get hold of the right heel and exhale. We bend to the right, search for the toes, and we hold it. And inhale, slowly come back up. Very good. So now we're going to do a back bend. You're going to need a pillow or two or anything that's soft, or a pile of blankets. So as you exhale, straighten your legs and get your pillow. So press pause, grab a pillow and come back. I have this wonderful thing. It is a Thai mattress day bed kind of thing, which I'm going to use. So I'm going to use this part. So you place your blankets, a heap, anything that's soft, over here in the middle of your mat, and I'm going to aim for the middle of the back. So the highest point is in the middle of the back. Straighten the legs and you slowly go over. The head rests on the floor. You can have the arms here, or you can bring the arms shoulder height. Then you'll feel the stretch into the shoulder and the chest, or you can have the arms at the top. And we are resting here. Make sure you're comfortable. And we hold it. And when you are ready, you had enough, then first, if your arms are above the head, bring the arms back, this side, and then the head. So use your core, lift the head very slowly and press into the elbows, and then come all the way up. Very good. And we're going to take the pillows and things to the side. And now we're going into back stretch pose. So make sure you're on the sitting bones and the legs are hip width apart, not the outside of the hips, but rather the hip joints. And the toes, if you can, pointing up to the ceiling. And inhale, stretch your arms up and try to touch the ceiling. Stretch out of the rib cage, really like your life depends on it. And then keep that stretch. And as you exhale, we pivot at the hips, and wherever your arms and your hands fall, let them down, and then the head. And we hold it. Legs are straight. And as you exhale, see if you can go a little bit lower. And we hold it. All awareness on your breath and the body. And inhale, slowly let go and slowly roll up. Deep breath in and side out. And relax the shoulders. Very good. And take your arms straight out to the front, and we're going to use back stretch pose to lower ourselves. So engage your core, tuck the chin, and slowly roll yourself back. Use your arms as a counterweight and come all the way back onto the mat. Arms are shoulder height, palms facing down on the floor, and you bend your knees and you place your right foot on the outside of the right side of the mat and the left foot on the edge of the left side of the mat. And we're going to use the core, and as we exhale, we drop the knees to the right. And if you want to, if your neck allows you, look to the left hand. So it's a twist in the spine, keeping your shoulders and shoulder blades as close to the floor as you can. And inhale, legs up, knees up, and exhale, drop to the other side and look to the right. And inhale up, and exhale, other side. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. And we're going to hold it here. I'm just closing my eyes for the sun, but you can also close yours to relax. If you want to, you can take the right foot and rest it on the left knee, but do not press. Just rest it there, and we hold it, or try to relax the body if you can. Inhale and exhale. If your foot is on top of the left knee, slide it off, and then inhale, bring the knees up, and exhale, we take it to the other side and we turn the head, and you can place the left foot if you want to on the right knee. Do not press, and we hold it. Inhale and exhale, drop the left foot off the knee, and inhale, bring the knees up, and as you exhale, bring the knees into the chest. Take your arms, wrap it around the knees and squeeze the knees in. And deep breath in and side out. And exhale, straighten out and come into Shavasana. Spine is straight, legs slightly apart, feet relax, arms away from the body, palms facing up. And the nose is pointing to the ceiling, and softly close your eyes. And bring all your awareness to your breath, the natural breath. Do not increase your breath. You are not doing it. You are just watching the breath. And inhale and exhale, sigh it out. And just slowly turn onto your side. Stay on the side. And then use your top hand and push into the top hand and slowly come up into sitting. Tip of the day. Now, this is going to sound so cheesy, but I've got to say it. Yoga is not about how it looks. It's about how it feels. That's why sometimes you can close your eyes and just focus on your body, because your body is totally different than anyone else. Yes, yoga is beautiful. You get some beautiful poses for those people who are born with supple, long limbs. It's beautiful, but it's not about that. It's about you and your body. So feel your body, explore your body. Doesn't matter how it looks. Everybody's down dog is going to look different. Okay, so there's my cheesy tip for the day. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you did, don't forget to hit this like button. And those of you who are new here, my name is Al. I'm from yogagangeya.com. And please subscribe if you enjoy these sessions with me. And you must have a lovely day, and thank you for watching. Ariyom Tat Sat.